Are you talking but no one's hearing you? Here's how to instantly know whether you're muted on Zoom. First, you'll have to be inside a Zoom meeting. Look in the bottom left corner of your Zoom meeting window. You'll see a small microphone icon. If that mic icon has a red circle through it, it means you're muted. You're still in the meeting, you just can't be heard. Sometimes Zoom will even flash a little pop-up that says, "You're muted. Press spacebar to speak." Want to check fast? Just press the spacebar if you're muted. It will temporarily unmute you as long as you're holding it down, if that feature is enabled. And if the host muted you, you'll get a message that says so. You can still raise a hand or chat if you need to say something. Now you'll never speak into the void again. Hit that like button if you've been muted without knowing. Subscribe for more videos just like this. And thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video.